BBC Olympics host JJ Chalmers competed on Strictly Come Dancing with professional dancer Amy Dowden back in 2020. JJ Chalmers has shared how he's dealt with criticism and people having a preconception of him from television over the years. The 37-year-old is a former Royal Marine and Invictus Games medalist turned broadcaster, who is currently fronting the Paris Olympics 2024. Back in 2020, fans got to see a different side to him when he took to the dance floor on Strictly Come Dancing with professional dancer Amy Dowden. Despite his initial doubts of how well he would do, JJ soon became a much-loved contestant and lasted 6 weeks in the competition. During his time on the show, the presenter shared how being on such a big platform subjected him to abuse from trolls online, who criticized his dance moves. "It's so funny, when I did Strictly for example, people will form an opinion about you and think that you're, I don't know, something negative because you can't dance the Paso Doble," he shared. Strictly was a good, big eye-opener as to, because it's so huge, there is a lot of noise. So yeah, people are saying stuff about you all the time and again they're judging you based on something which, the whole point of, is that you're not meant to be good at it. On people's having preconceptions of him, JJ also shared, "I have a little bit of an understanding of what it's like to exist in a world where people know something about you, before you've even met them. That's the big thing, how you are perceived. I understand that, not just by it happening to me, but because I work in media, so I understand how powerful what we say can be." He went on to say that as soon as something is edited, it is essentially scripted to some degree, adding, "Even something like Strictly, it's edited so the whole narrative is not being said, like you are playing a character immediately." 4 years on from his Strictly stint, JJ insisted he's warmed to the public a bit more through his presenting career. "As I've got better at my job as a broadcaster, there is less and less of the negative stuff," he shared on the PR Sonal podcast last year. While he is now at a confident level with hosting, particularly on live TV, JJ takes issue with being called a natural in front of the camera, as perfecting his on-screen presence is something he worked hard for.
Déjame llorar, déjame soñar contigo, déjame sentir que soy tu Señor, tu amigo. Déjame volar con el pensamiento a tu dulce nido, te daré calor en la oscuridad si te falta abrigo, te daré calor en la oscuridad si te falta abrigo. Qué bonito fuera si me quisieras tan solo un poco, qué bonito fuera si me quisieras un poco más. Con esos ojazos, tu pelo suelto, tu piel morena, tu voz melodiosa, la más hermosa, qué guapa estás. Te envidian las flores, dan tus colores por tu cantar. Déjame llorar, déjame soñar contigo, déjame sentir que soy tu Señor, tu amigo. Déjame volar con el pensamiento a tu dulce nido, te daré